Okay, right. Let's unpack this. Why are we still, bothering with preliminary concept designs or drafting legal briefs? I mean, a large language model can just spit out the PDF now, right?
Yeah.
Seriously, is your economically valuable knowledge work already just kind of meh?
It's a fair question.
Yeah.
And the metrics, trying to measure this erosion of unique human value, they're starting to catch up, finally.
Totally. So today we are diving into OpenAI's new benchmark, GDPval. It's their latest shot at measuring how well AI performs. We're talking GPT-5, its rivals, on tasks pulled straight from 44 actual jobs. Think registered nurses, software devs, lawyers, analysts. Real jobs.
We're going to find out who's winning the race to replace us and how they're even defining winning.
Yeah.
And this is where it gets really interesting.
Welcome along. This is episode 256 of the Swetlana AI podcast. If you appreciate, getting the shortcut on the existential threat to your career, please go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe.
Yeah, don't be a bummer.
Okay.
Okay, let's get right back into this deep dive. What the heck is GDPval? So GDPval, it's basically an intense assessment, right? Designed to measure how models perform on economically valuable real-world tasks. They pull data from 44 occupations across the top 9 U.S. GDP industries. So healthcare, finance, manufacturing, the big ones.
Okay, and that's the key difference, isn't it? Compared to old academic tests, MMLU and stuff, those were more abstract knowledge. GDPval uses tasks based on actual work products. We're talking, engineering blueprints, nursing care plans, legal briefs.
Exactly. And importantly, these tasks were created and then vetted by experienced professionals, people with 14 years in the field on average.
So they're testing the actual deliverable, not just if the AI knows stuff.
Precisely. And the process involved these industry experts blindly grading the model outputs against human work. The results, they confirm the best models are, quote, approaching the quality of those human experts.
Okay, numbers. Give us the numbers. How close is approaching?
Well, a version of GPT-5, it was rated as good as or even better than the human experts 40.6% of the time.
Yeah.
But the overall champion, that was actually Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.1. It hit 49%.
49%. So it matched or beat the human expert almost half the time.
Pretty much. Yeah.
Wait, hold on, though. I saw the weird twist here. Claude won overall. But wasn't GPT-5 actually better on, accuracy, domain knowledge?
That's right. Claude excelled specifically on, aesthetics.
Aesthetics.
But no, really. Things like document formatting, slide layout, presentation. So yeah, the model that won the overall contest, it just made prettier reports.
Oh my God.
It's fascinating, isn't it? That presentation is currently winning over pure domain knowledge in these kinds of job evaluations.
I guess even AI knows looking professional is 80% of the battle. That's, wow, both comforting and deeply dreadful. Okay, what about speed? Cost?
Efficiency. Yeah, that's where it gets kind of devastating. The models are roughly 100 times faster and about 100 times cheaper than the human experts. That's based on API rates and inference time. Plus, the performance jump. It more than tripled from GPT-4's score, which was 13.7%, to GPT-5's score in about a year.
Wow.
And it seems to be following a pretty clear linear trend upwards.
The pace is just brutal. Okay, but let's flip this. What's the catch? What does this GDPval thing miss? Where does it fall short of real work?
Yeah, that's a really important question.
Yeah.
The crucial limitation here is, it's still an early step. These tasks are strictly one shot.
One shot.
Meaning the model gets one prompt, gets one answer. GDPval doesn't capture real-world complexity, revising a legal brief after the client hates it, or iterating on multiple drafts, or navigating some really ambiguous request where you don't even know what they want at first.
Right. The models are great at the perfect first pass on a well-defined task.
Exactly.
So, okay. If the AI handles that clean, repetitive, well-specified stuff, maybe the first 20% of the effort. Who does the messy, iterative, judgment-heavy part? The other 80%.
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
So where does this leave us? OpenAI suggests, AI takes the repetitive, well-specified tasks. Humans get the creative, judgment-heavy parts. But connecting this back, the knowledge work GDPval is measuring, that's the stuff that pays the bills right now. So will the judgment-heavy parts, will they pay for themselves? That's definitely something for you to mull over.
Seriously, though, don't miss our next deep dive.
Subscribe to the Swetlana AI podcast now. And hey, leave us a comment. Which piece of your own economically valuable busy work are you personally praying GPT-5 steals first? We'll catch you next time.